Every man is curious about what's inside a woman's bag, right? Now you know, my friend. Come on, if you guys live together, you should get along. No, it's not a fall. It's all just part of his performance. The cat taught the girl a lesson about teasing others. If you don't stop before Mum gets here, you two will be grounded. This white girl must have practiced a lot to be able to perform so attractively. The reason why so many people like to watch dolphin shows. A brave cat is always ready to fight at all times. Enjoying life doesn't require much, just food, drink, and a beautiful scenery. Bringing joy to people is the daily job of this mother and baby seals. This hippo's patience is amazing. I hope he actually gets his food. Don't worry, this guy is totally fine. Someone was forced to wake up early and ended up like this. A normal day like this is happy for this monkey couple. This escape plan would have been perfect if you had just spent more time on physical training. One is that you learn to ask others, and two is to lose weight. In this case, Husky is quite helpful and responsible, right? It looks like he's the main worker taking care of the whole family.
Kobe.
The animals here are friendly. This is definitely an experience everyone should try once.
Stop filming and come do this. It's good for your back.
Okay. You act like a fucking bat with your bad ass. With your bad ass. Get that ass.
Not seeing the hind legs definitely takes away 50% of this horse's majestic image. What an embarrassing moment if secretly filmed. Just be confident and express yourself. Of course, everyone would react like the monkey. If this were a game of hide and seek, he would definitely be the winner. Okay, now you've got me curious about what you see.
Dapat kawan baru nah. Woi, lagi santai kawan. Pakai. Ela-ela dunia kawan.
It turns out kids learn to jump downstairs from penguins.
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in.
Give me a ride. When you get home, I'll buy you some water and some bananas. It turns out that bed can also be used for exercising before going to bed. Food is always the motivation for you to overcome your limits. And those are the funny moments of lovely animals. See you in the next video.